शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
You're on page 135. Parichaya Pustaka.
Okay. We are done 6th chapter completely.
Yes. Purva Sandhi.
Okay.
Swapna Bhagini Arambam Karot.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Just start reading?
Yeah,
Or
page
do the
number 135, Abhyasa 1.
Okay. Okay. Choravāgatau. Chorau plus agatau. That is au plus a. Av plus a. So choravāgatau. Okay.
This is Yantavanta Sandhi, right?
Yantavanta Sandhi, yeah. So this I have to break it down, right? Tave kada. So it is ekada. And
Swapna Mahodaya, one second. On 135, can you just read the description what it has given, just for a revision?
The following are the examples of the sandhi or what?
No. If A or I,
Oh,
I, O. Yeah,
okay. If
just
A, I, O and au are followed by any vowel, A is replaced by I by I, O by av and au by av. In aya and I, the ending letter is ya. Okay. So they are yantas, and in ava and av, the ending letter is va. So they are called vantas. Since yanta and vanta adeshas take the place of a, I and o, au respectively, this is called yanta vanta desha sandhihi. If a and o happen to be padanta and are followed by a rasva akara, then there will be a purva rupa sandhi. In the rest of the instances, there will be yanta vanta desha sandhi only. You want to read the also examples? Hare plus a haraye, Vishnu plus a vishnave, tasyai plus astu tasyayastu, devau plus iti devaviti, kate plus upavishati katayupavishati, prabhate plus uttishtati prabhatayuttishtati, grihe plus asit grihyasit, stulau plus etau stulavetau. Okay. I am a little challenged in this sandhi, so please bear with me. I'll make many mistakes, so help me out here. Okay, tave kada. So it is, I can see ave here, right? So if it is ave, then it is au. So tau plus ekada. Correct?
Yeah. So you're not challenged. Excellent.
Okay. Putraviti. Okay. So here also I see av. So putrau iti, right? Okay. Okay. Gura utsaha. So gura utsaha. So gurau plus utsaha. Utsaha. Okay. Naravudarau. Narau plus udarau. Correct? Karavetau.
To help you, all examples you're reading are av sound now. You have to try something new.
What can I do? I'm blessed with the easy ones. Karavetau. So karau plus etau. Balakavagatau. Balakau plus agatau. Tasyaidam. Tasyaidam. So tasyai idam. Right? Tasyai plus idam. Harava gate. Harau plus agate. Chatura utsahinau. So chaturau utsahinau.
Namaste. You are reading from Parichaya book or from Sandhi book?
Yeah, Parichaya book.
135, page number 135.
Pantrimshat adhika shatam.
10th word. So 10th word, how do I say? Dashamam padam?
Astu.
Okay. Tasyaye tasyai. Tasyau. I is au, right? No. I. Tasyai plus tasyai.
Etasyai.
Oh, right. Etasyai. Tasyai plus etasyai. Okay. Okay.
So in the, is there an example for the Purva Rupa Sandhi?
It was there in
Purva
the
Rupa Sandhi, yeah, we saw no previous lesson.
The Avagraha symbol, right?
Yeah, Desho plus EM.
the previous
Desho
chapter.
EM.
Previous chapter is
Sorry,
that only.
Desho plus IM.
Yeah. Now I remember.
So both have to be padam, and the second word has to be rasva a.
No, the first one. First
Yeah.
one has to be padam, complete padam.
Yeah.
And if it
A
is
and
not,
O only, not I and O. Only A and O followed by Hrasva Akara.
A and O.
A and O followed by Hrasva Akara, it goes to Purva Rupa Sandhi. Rest, it will be Yanta Vanta.
and that also only if A or end of some complete word. If it is not, then that also goes back to Yantavanta.
Okay.
If it is within Nitya Padam, like for example, within verbs and all, Gai, for example, Gai plus Tiganda Padam Ati, we have an example in this enjoyable Sanskrit grammar. We see that.
Okay.
In that case, they only go for Yantavanta only.
Yeah, maybe we'll finish this and come to that also.
Yeah. Join the following words.
Yeah,
I'm in page 136. I'm in page 136. Join the following words. Vishnoho A. So O Visarga, what is it they say? Missing Visarga?
No, no.
Lopaha.
Lopaha, that is the word.
Actually, it is a mistake, I think.
It's a mistake.
Actually, there is a mistake, I think.
Yeah,
Vishnu
Visarga
plus
should
A
not.
only.
Yeah. The Visarga is not there. Visarga should not be there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a Nitya Padam. So, Vishnave, there can be no Visarga there.
So, O plus A becomes Au. So, Vishnave. Nai plus Akaha. So, I plus A then it becomes I. So Nayakaha. Devatayai Arpanam. I plus A, again it becomes I. So Devatayarpanam. Devatayarpanam. Prathakale Uttanam. A plus U. So then this becomes I.
Mahodaya, Devata, what did you say for the third one?
Devatayai. Yai. Devatai. One more E and then Ayarpanam. Devatayarpanam. That would be double I.
Devatayarpanam. Yarpanam.
Yarpanam. Double
Yeah,
yakaras are there.
Devatayai Yarpanam. So Devataya Yarpanam.
That's what I said.
Yeah, that's just wanted to confirm.
No, when you write tha, then a half year, right? Then yeah.
No, what?
Yeah.
Why half year? No half year. Devata Yarpanam. So
No. The yai will becomes year plus I.
No.
Yai will become I. So ya plus I.
I plus
Wait a minute. The rule says it is only I plus any vowel will becomes I, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
right.
the yai will become ya.
Akilaji, can you type this? Are you going to do that? Yeah.
It will not. There'll be no half and all.
Yai plus I plus Arpanam. So
I.
Yarpanam.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Ya Yarpanam. Okay. Sorry. Devatayarpanam.
Devataya Yarpanam.
Devatayarpanam. Yeah.
Yaya.
When I write it will come. Yaya Panam.
Yeah, when you write it, you will get this clearly.
Yeah. When you're doing it without writing, then it's confusing.
Pratakale Utthanam. A plus U. So then it becomes I. So Pratakala Yutthanam. Sukhe Anicca. Sukha again. Sukhayanicca. Abhyagatau.
Ekanimsham. Here will that not be Purva Sandhi? What is the rule here? Suke should it not be Purva Sandhi?
Yeah. It should be.
So then it will become
Both are padam.
Sukhenicca. Sukhe with the symbol and avagraha symbol. Sukhenicca. Okay.
You know, I don't have that word. I have sukhe plus asaktihi in my book.
That is why probably they gave you the new edition. They might have changed it.
I also see asakti, but still it will be Purva Rupam.
In ours, it is Suke plus Anicca, then it is Purva Rupa Sandhis. So that's why in yours it is changed to A. If it is Dirgha A, then it's not Purva Rupa, it's Yantavanta.
Oh.
Yeah, and that's why actually the answer
that's
is
why probably they changed it. Yeah,
and the answer is wrong in the back.
I know. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Abhyagatau plus agatau. So au becomes au plus a becomes aw, right? Abhyagatavagatau. Shrute plus etasmin. A plus a becomes what? I. So Shrutayetasmin. Shrutayetasmin.
No, just a minute. Shrute, isn't it? Oh, okay. So it
because
is.
It's I, right? Yeah.
So it becomes aya. Aya. Okay.
Aya.
Okay. If it
Shruta,
was okay.
Shruta etasmin. And now I have found an easy way to read. Gruhe plus asit. So a plus a becomes I, right? So I'm going to combine the a to the ha, and then I'll read gruha yasit. So that is easy. Vrikshau plus
Griha yasit.
yeah, that's what I said.
Griha yasit.
No, I'm combining a to
I didn't
ha.
get ya.
So yeah. Gruha yasit.
Yeah, she said that. Yeah.
Vrikshau plus aropitau. So au plus a becomes av. So vriksha varopitau. Janau plus ahutau. So again it is av. So janavahutau. Okay. Finally.
Okay.
153.
Yeah. Shall I do it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So shall I read the detail before it? So it is.
Yeah, you can read. Just.
Yeah, it is that new thing, Prakriti Bhava. So I'll read it actually. So in the above words, in bold type, a vowel is followed by another vowel, but no change due to sandhi is seen. So Vasanta plus Rituhu, Dhana plus Riddhihi, Raja plus Risihi. So here Gunasandhi would typically take place, but what they have done is they have not done that here. When a, e, u, ri and ri, that are final letters of a word, padanta are followed by a rikaraha, there is prakriti bhava. Prakriti bhava means that a sandhi does not take place even when all its conditions are fulfilled. Prakriti bhava is optional. Therefore, in the absence of prakriti bhava, the other sandhi takes place. So Vasanta plus Rituhu. In this example, if there is Prakriti Bhava, the form will be Vasanta Rituhu. Since Prakriti Bhava is optional, in its absence, Guna Sandhi occurs, then the combined form will be Vasantartuhu. So it becomes A plus Ri, and that will become Guna Sandhi. Then the combined form Vasantartu, when Prakriti Bhava takes place, if the first word ends in a long vowel, it will be changed to short vowel. So Raja plus Risihi will be Raja Risihi. Prakriti Bhava. If it was Gunasandhi, it would become Rajarsihi. So that's how it is. Actually, I see a little typo in this because I was reading in the Sandhi book. So what it says, no, when we do Prakriti Bhava, we don't join the words together. We keep a gap between them. So here they have actually joined them together. So ideally, we should keep a gap between them.
But in few cases, they also have joined, no?
No, in the book, I always saw they are keeping it separate.
In page number 30, Guru plus Runam. Atra pashyatu.
Page number 30.
30.
Okay. Guru. Okay.
Fifth one.
Yeah. So how do they decide?
There they have mentioned as Samasta Padam. Sapa means Samasta Padam, right? Samastam Padam. Vasanta Rutuhu also they have joined. Varsha Rutuhu also they have
Okay, so how do we decide whether to join or not join?
joined. In few they have joined and few.
I'm going to put it as joined because that is what my book says. Now, another one in the rule what they have given, if the first words ending, if it is ru, and then the followed by ru, won't it become a savarna dirgha sandhi?
So that is one option. Otherwise, apply Prakriti Bhava also. So it will
So
be
Prakriti Bhava is optional. So if unless it is asked, you can go for Savarna Dirgha Sandhi eva. If it is specifically asked, then you have to go for Prakriti Bhava. Otherwise, the other Sandhi will have more power, right?
Yeah. So for example,
Because Prakriti Bhava is optional.
yeah, there is example called Pitri plus Rinam. So if you want to apply Prakriti Bhava, it becomes Pitri Rinam. You keep the two words separately. That's what it shows.
Pitrurnam or Pitru.
Yeah, Pitri plus Rinam. So it is Pitri Rinam. Or it could be Pitrinam if you want to do Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Pitrunam. Yeah, but they have mentioned as Sapa, that is Samasta Padam.
Yeah.
But they have given space.
So in Samasta Padam, I see in some Samasta Padam there is space, in some there is not. I don't know what is the condition.
Yeah, even I don't know, but there might be some condition. Yeah.
Okay, maybe as
for now we can join it together.
Yeah, I think as
it is given
we are saying, as our book says join, we'll join.
So you were saying that only when it is asked. What do they ask? I didn't get that point. So when
because
it is
Prakriti Bhava is optional, right? So if it is not specifically asked, the first option should be the other Sandhi, right?
So in the question they will ask, combine it using Prakriti Bhava.
Join the following words according to Prakriti Bhava Sandhi.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Yeah. If not, if says join.
I'm asking. This is a doubt for me. Yeah. Which is more powerful, Prakriti Bhava or Adha Sandhi?
See, it's not powerful. We can apply anyone. Okay. If we don't apply Prakriti, then we have to apply other. That is the case.
Okay.
One of the at least.
So I thought it reverse because Prakriti Bhava is optional, it's given. But Guna Sandhi and all we don't see as optional. You have to do, right?
Yeah, if we don't do Prakriti Bhava, then we'll have to do that.
Yeah.
So maybe in the Bhagini, like in the exam, maybe like what are the possible sandhis? Maybe that's a possible question, you think? Like what are the possible combinations? They'll give a word and then what are the possible sandhis, maybe like that? No?
That I doubt.
Maybe they can ask.
So if at all they don't specify, this is what I'm planning to do. If there is anything like for example, Pitru plus Runam, I'm going to write as Pitrunam for Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, and I will say or Pitru plus Runam. And say it is Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. Right, both the answers, if you know.
But why do you want to write plus? Why do you have to write plus? Right, Pitru Arunam. That's enough, right?
Pitrurnam. Yeah, that's enough.
Pitrurnam.
No, if you are going to write separately, why do you have to put that plus there? Prakriti Bhava. No.
I'm just reading the problem. That is the Pitru plus Runam. That is what is given.
Correct. So you are going to write two answers, right?
Yeah. The so second one I won't put the plus.
Okay.
Gap. I said gap. Gap or without the gap.
Okay.
Pitruranam.
So for example,
we can go for the exercise.
Yeah, exercise here it says join the following words according to Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. So Grama plus Rishabha. So it will be Grama Rishabha. Maha plus Rishihi. Maha plus Rishihi.
Huh?
Maha plus Rishihi.
Maha.
Varsha plus Rituhu. Varsha plus Rituhu.
So when you say plus, you're
oh, sorry. Varsha Rituhu.
Varsha Rituhu.
Vadhu plus Rinam. Vadhu Rinam.
So we have to just make the plus lopam.
And
no, the Dirgha will become Hasva.
Dirgha to Harsva.
If in Padanta a Dirgha Swara is there, you have to make it to a Harsva Swara.
Oh, is it?
Yes. That's why.
For example, if it is
right.
So Maha plus Rishihi, I just read Maha Rishihi.
Maharishihi.
Maha.
So we are going to write Maha gap Rishihi, right? Maha gap Rishihi.
Yeah.
No, it is Samasta Padam eva.
Together. In our book it says together, so possibly we can go right together also.
Maha Rishihi then. Okay, without gap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Varsha Rituhu is Varsha Rituhu. Vadhu Rinam is Vadhu Rinam. Stri plus Rinam is Stri Rinam. Vitta Kosha plus Rinam, Vitta Kosha Rinam. Raja plus Rishabha, Raja Rishabha. Pavitra plus Rik, Pavitra Rik. Parama plus Rishihi, Parama Rishihi.
Next, Lavanya ji.
Should I have to read the examples?
Yeah, you can read the examples.
माता गृहे वर्तत इति सः वदति भवद्गृहं शोभत इति मित्रैः उक्तं तस्मा इमां लेखनीं देहि संस्कृतपठनार्थं बालका आगतौ स्तः
Can people mute themselves? Because the recording will be very bad then. A lot of background noise.
But the noise is coming from Lavanya.
Me.
Oh.
If anyone else wants to read, please go ahead. Because my kids are always screaming in the background. Anyone else wants to try? It's okay.
I think it's okay. Please read Lavanya.
Shamidam. Balaha Chaturaha Vartanta.
I think we are not getting your voice.
Which page you are reading?
153.
Astu.
बालाः चतुराः वर्तन्त एव इति अध्यापकेन चिन्तितम्. In the above examples, observe the bold words A, I, O, Au followed by a vowel should have Yantavanta Desha Sandhi. But the Yakara and Vakara are not seen. Actually, Yantavanta Desha has taken place. Then the Yakara and Vakara of the Yantavanta Desha are obliterated. The explanation for the same is as follows. Vartate plus iti, A plus E, I plus E, then Yakara lopaha bhavati. So A plus E, which means, so what should have happened is Vartate plus iti would become Vartata iti. Isn't it?
Varta iti. Vartata iti.
Vartatai iti.
Yeah, Vartatai iti.
Vartatai iti, but the Yakara will go, so Vartata iti.
Vartatai titi.
Vartatayiti.
Vartatai iti.
Ekarah eva asti khlu I.
No.
Vartata.
No, we haven't yet combined the Yakara plus Ikara of the next letter. So the first step itself, the Yakara lopaha bhavati, bhavishyati. So the first step, what we are trying to do is Vartate, the Ekaraha will become A-I. So it will become Vartatai plus Iti. And the Yakara will go. So Vartata plus Iti will remain.
Either it will be Vartata iti or Vartata space iti.
Here we are talking about Vartata space iti. We are talking about Yantavanta lopaha. Yakara Vakara lopaha and Yantavanta. So next one Shobate plus iti. First step will be Shobatai iti. In the Thai, Yakara will go away. So Shobata plus iti will stay. Okay, va? Tasmai idam. First step will be I will become I. So tasmai plus idam. Normally it should have happened tasma idam, but the combination never takes place. The Yakara lopaha bhavati. So tasma idam. Balakau agatau. Balaka आगतौ बकार लोपः भवति अत्र So au should have been av, but it stayed only as a. The vakara has been removed. So balaka agatau. Vartante eva, vartanta eva. In this way, the yakara and vakara of I, au, av found at the end of the word padanta get obliterated optionally. Oh, this is optional. Okay. After the removal of yakara or vakara, the remaining vowels should not be combined once again in any other sandhi. Such yakara lopa or vakara lopa is commonly found in verses. So go ahead.
Yeah, you can do the exercise.
Yeah, udaharanaha rame plus iti, ramai iti, yakara lopaha, so rama iti. Shobhate plus etat, shobhatai, shobhatai etat, shobhata etat. I'm saying the two-step for more understanding. I hope I'm not confusing everyone. Rochate aushadam, rochatai aushadam, rochata aushadam. Balau agatau, balav agatau, bala agatau. Akara lopaha. Patyante etaihi, patyantai etaihi, patyanta etaihi. Drishyante alayaha, drisyantai alayaha, drishyanta alayaha. Pachyate odanaha, pachyatai odanaha, pachyata odanaha. Sprusyate asandaha, sprusyatai asandaha, sprusyata asandaha. Tau ekada, tav ekada, tav ekada. Grihe upastitihi, grihai upastitihi, griha upastitihi. Vartate aham, vartatai aham, varte aham, vartai aham, varta aham.
Bhagini, one question I have. So, so this is like first yanta vanda has to happen, then only we can do the akar vakar lopa. So, unless specifically if they ask, otherwise how do we know if it is yakar vakar lopa?
Bhagini, they'll never ask us to do the yakara vakara lopa sandhi. What they might do is they will give us tava ekada or ta ekada. Find the sandhi that has happened, they'll say. So we have to understand that something is wrong and we have to understand that this is the yakara vakara lopa. They might give us simply ta ekada and they'll ask us define the sandhi. I'm thinking that is the only way to. No, I don't think the other way is even possible unless they mention the name of the sandhi.
Right, they have to mention it, otherwise it is not.
Yeah, even so, all these vikalpa sandhi, optional sandhis, like the previous one that we read, unless they specify the name of the sandhi, I don't think we can do this. Only the other way around is tricky. If they give us a prakriti bhava word and ask us to define the sandhi, then we have to think that something is wrong there, and you have to understand that.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Thank you, Bhagini. Thank you, Dhanyavada.
To trick us, they'll mainly give this in splitting only.
So if they say Raja Rishihi, we should be able to go backwards and say it was Raja plus Rishihi, Prakriti Bhava happened. Yeah.
Astu.
Next page number 173.
Jaya Mahodaya.
Jaya Bhagini.
Okay. Sandhihi. You have studied the euphonic combinations of vowels. You have also done sufficient exercises in joining and splitting words. Given below is mixed exercises containing all swara sandhis. Do it and test yourself. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Split the following words and name the sandhis. Asti, iti. Asti plus iti. E plus E. Savarna dirgha sandhi. Kutva, krutvapi. Krutva plus api. A plus A. A plus A. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Drishtvaemam. Drishtva plus imam. A plus E is A. Guna Sandhi. Saiva.
Should it not be Drishtva plus imam? A plus E. Because Drishtva, I don't think is a word.
There is no
Has to be
word like
Drishtva.
Drishtva, right? Drishtva plus imam. Okay.
Imam.
Okay, imam. Yeah. A plus E is A. Gunasan. Sa plus eva. A plus A. I. So that is Vriddhi Sandhi. Likhanyapi. Likhantyapi. Likhantyapi.
Sa or sa? Sa plus eva.
It cannot be sa because sa is not a word. If it is saha, then it is a word. So we have to write sa plus api.
Sa plus.
Yeah.
Sa
Yeah,
plus
you said it right now there. Yeah, sa plus api.
Yeah. Likhantyapi. Likhanti plus api. Likhanti plus api. E likhanti E plus a. I. Yeah, it become yeah. It is yan sandhi. Taswapi. Tasu plus api. U plus a becomes va. Again, it is yan sandhi. Cha plus api. Cha api. Cha plus api. So it is a plus a. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Naitat. Na plus etat. A plus A. I. Vriddhi Sandhi. Ekaikam. Eka plus ekam. A plus A becomes I. Vriddhi Sandhi. Ekaikam. Uttarottaram. Uttara plus uttaram. A plus U becomes O. Uttarottaram. Gunasandhi. Sorry. Forgot to say this. Chandrodayaha. Chandra plus Udayaha. A plus U is O. Again Gunasandhi. Naikatra. Na plus Ekatra. A plus A is I. That is Vriddhi Sandhi. Deepasyopari. Deepasya plus upari. A plus U is O. Deepasyopari. Gunasandhi again. Tavatra. Tavatra. Tau plus atra. This is au becomes av. So tavatra. It is yanta vanta desha. Sandhi. Balake api. Balake. Balake plus api. Balake pi. Purva rupa sandhi. Vidita vetau. Viditau plus etau. Au becomes av. Vidita vetau. It is yanta vanta desha sandhi. Sarvepi. Sarve plus api. Purva rupa sandhi. Deepeshvapi. Deepeshu plus api. U plus a. Av. It becomes av. Deepeshvapi.
U plus a.
U plus a. Va. U becomes a. Sorry. Yan sandhi. Yan sandhi. Sorry. So gira. Gira uditaha. Gira plus uditaha. A plus
Gira avatra asti.
Av, right? Av. So girau. Girau plus uditaha. That is ayanta vanta desha sandhi. Nyayata eva.
The trick has come.
Nyayata. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. Wait,
If it is a trick, we know one answer. It's Yanta Vanta.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
part of it we got it. It's only the
One
other
part
part.
of
It's
it.
either Yakara or Vakara that's gone. So we have to add it back.
Yakara.
That's
When
all.
it is a completely new word like Nyayata, which word it is, when we
Yeah.
confuse like that, then definitely
Yeah.
there is a lupa here.
But the point is there is a gap, so that should be a recognizable point.
No, but
Yeah.
but the clue is they are asking us to split the word. So the word is already
Split
split. So then we know that's a lopa thing.
Yeah. Yakara Vakara. Okay. So in this case, when they give like this, you can just say like Yakara Lopa.
No, you have to go to the original word. So what was the original word? That is, it's not Nyayata. It was something else.
Nyayateva.
Nyayate, it can be either I or Au, because it's simply
Nyayate.
a ending.
Yeah.
Can be either A or O ending. Nyayate or Nyayato. So we have to find out which is the meaningful word here.
Yeah. So if it is O, then it will become Au. If it is
No.
A, it will become I. Right? I.
Yeah. Anywhere, it can be either Yakara Lopa or Vakara Lopa.
Vakara Lopa. Okay.
So we have to find out whether it is A or O. We have to add A or O.
Okay.
So we have to find out which is meaningful, Nyayate or Nyayato. Are you getting?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
So it is Nyayata plus Eva. So the Nyayata ends with a. Either it can be Yakara Lopa or Vakara Lopa.
Yeah. I think Nyayate makes more sense.
Nyayate or Nyayato.
Nyayate.
Nyayate.
Yeah, Nyayate. So Yakara Lopa. Sarvasma api. Here another one. Sarvasma api. Prakriti bhava. Sarvasma api. Prakriti bhava.
No, it's not Prakriti bhava. Because Rukara is not there.
Oh, yeah. Rukara has to come, right? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, Chamitam. Sarvasma api. Sarvasma.
So it ends with A. So it either can be I, ending word can be I or Au. Either can be Sarvasmai or Sarvasmau.
Sarvasmai api. I means I. So it is Yakar Lopa.
Yakara Lopa.
Yakar Lopa.
Ramurthy Mahodaya.
Dhanyavad.
Am Pratnam Karomi. Na plus A plus E. Neti. Ekaram agachati.
Name the Sandhi also. You have to tell the Sandhi name also.
That is, that should be A plus E. That should be Guna Sandhi, right?
No.
Na plus Enam. A plus A. A plus A is Nainam. Aikaram agachati. Prayaha Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi.
Na plus Unnati. A plus Unnatihi. A plus U. A plus U is O. Non Natihi. Okaram A plus U agachati. Prayaha Gunasandhihi. Pashyanti plus Atra. Pashyanti ikaram pare agachati. Yan sandhi pashyantyatra. Pashyanti plus iha Pashyantiha. Yan sandhi, no, not yan sandhi. Dirga, savarna dirga sandhi. Sati plus api. Satyapi, yana sandhi, yakaram. Marge plus anyaha. Marge ekaram pare a. Marge ekaram pare agachati. Where is that? Marge. Para rupa santi. Avagraha chinnam. Purva. Sorry. Purva rupa santi. That avagraha chinnam will come. Mahi plus ishaha. E plus E. Mahishaha. Dirgha swarana. No. Dirgha swara sandhi. Dirgha swara sandhi. Savarna. Maha A plus E. Maha plus Ishaha. A plus E. A plus E is A. Maheshaha. Gunasandhi. Grihe A plus E. A is right. I. Grihaishaha. That is Grihaishaha. Grihaishaha. Oh, okay. Grihaishaha. So that will be what? That will be Yantavanta?
Yantavanta Deshasandhi.
Grihe plus A plus A. Grihe plus Amba. So this should be Grihe Avagraha Chinnam Grihemba. Parama A plus Arthaha. Savarna Dirgha Sandhihi Paramarthaha. Mithya plus Aropihi. A plus A. Mithyaropihi. Dirgha Sandhi. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Sudha plus Asti. A plus A. Sudasti. So Dirgha Sandhi. Punarapi. Sudha plus A plus A. A plus A is I. Sudaisha. Sudha plus A. A plus A is I, right? Sudaisha. So that is I is A plus A. So that should be Vriddhi Sandhi.
Yeah.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Vriddhi.
See, I am not come prepared for this Sandhi. So please.
But you are doing
good now there.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Ete plus api. A plus A. Ete akaranta agachati. So ete avagraha chinnam. Then ete plus ete A plus E. A. Yeah. So that is I. Etai iha.
Etaya.
Oh, etaya iha. Oh, etaya iha. Okay. Etai iha. Yeah, that's what. Okay, that's what I said the first time. Etai iha.
No, that is not correct.
Eta iha.
That is
Etai iha.
Takara and ikara.
Oh, okay.
Or you can say etaiha.
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 Yes.
Etaiha. Yeah, if we follow.
Lopam.
No, that is not lopam. Etaiha is yantavanta default. Eta iha is yakara lopa.
Anilji, what you are saying, I don't understand.
It is ete plus iha, right?
Eta.
So ete plus iha.
Ete.
Plus iha. No, ete plus iha. So ekara will be replaced by ay.
Etai.
Either it is eta iha
or ete iha. Correct.
These are the two forms, right?
Yes.
Either it should be eta iha or eta iha.
Yes. Correct.
Etaiha or etaiha.
Yeah.
While I hear as etai. That's why I'm asking.
Etaiha.
Etaiha.
Etaiha. Correct.
Etaiha. Okay. Esha plus a plus a, I. A plus a, yeah, I. So shaiti. So that should be a plus a. That should be vriddhi sandhi. Then dashame plus a plus ahani. Dashame. Dashame plus dashame plus that avagra chinnam will come. Dashame, because there is a akaranta here. Dashame avagra chinnam hani. Then mandire plus asmin. Mandire ye. Mandire. Again here this asmin is coming. Mandire avagra chinnam asmin.
Which sandhi?
That is purva rupa sandhi. Then tena plus a plus e. Tena tenedam. A plus e guna sandhi. Tenedam.
So in 16 also that lopa sandhi will come, right? Yakara lopam bhavati, right? Ete 16. Ete
No,
not that is
because,
purva rupa sandhi. Purva rupa sandhi. Okay.
Purva rupa.
Yeah, purva rupa sandhi. Sorry. And we have to remember sandhihi. There is a visarga after di. We are just saying sandhi. Remember to write the visarga. Otherwise,
Sandhihi. Oh, okay. Sandhihi. Okay.
Page number 191. I think it's my turn.
Yes.
Okay. Join the following words and name the sandhis. Udaharanam, patanti plus iti plus atra. Patanti tyatra. Savarna dirgha plus yan sandhi. Atra sandhi dvayam asti. Atra plus eva plus uttam. Atrai voktam. A plus a becomes I vriddhi. A plus u becomes o gunasandhi. Atrai voktam. Vidyalaye plus api plus asmin. A plus a. Atra purva rupa sandhi. Vidyalayepi avagraha chinnam. E plus a ya apyasmin. Yan sandhi. E plus ya yan sandhi astu.
So what is the word together?
Munishu plus asti plus adaraha. U plus a yan sandhi. Munish vasti. E plus a yan sandhi. Munish vastyadaraha. Yan sandhi dvayam asti. Uttara plus unnatihi. A plus u o gunasandhi. Uttarottara. A plus u again o gunasandhi. Uttarottaronatihi. Ganesha plus utsavo plus asti. A plus U. A plus U. Totally everything will go away. A plus U. अस्तु. गणेशोत्सवो प्लस अस्ति. O plus A. अत्र यान्तावान्तदेशसन्धि. O plus A. उत्सवावस्ति.
No, Purvarupa
No,
Sandhi.
O plus A is Purvarupa.
No, it won't be Purvarupa because Utsavo is not a complete word.
Oh.
Is that the answer?
Check.
Why Utsava?
A or O followed by Hasva A should give us Purvarupa Sandhi provided both are Padanta.
The first one
But,
is Padanta. Not both. First one. Only
First one should be Padanta.
Ganeshotsav. Yeah, Purvarupa Sandhi. Second one should be Purvarupa Sandhi.
But Utsavo is not a complete
First
word.
is Guna Sandhi and the second is Purvarupa.
But it is not a complete word, right?
So, I think
See,
Utsavaha.
The
I
answer
thought
is Purvarupa
Padanta
Sandhi.
is end of the word. That is what I thought. Why is it
Yeah.
Padanta? Why it should be a separate word? Is that what it means? Padanta means?
See, I think this Padanta rule literally means like if we talk about we are trying to do between
Except the Nitya Sandhi.
yeah, if we are doing something
Except
like
the Nitya Sandhi. I think so.
how do we
For
find
example,
it?
when in between verbs, mostly this Yantavanta Desha Sandhi comes in between verbs. In that case, it is compulsory. We cannot do Purvarupa. Otherwise, we can do Purvarupa.
Oh, okay. Actually, Utsavo is actually created from Utsavaha.
That's
Like in our Anvaya, we always go for this Utsava.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is Visarga.
Visarga Sandhi has
Visarga.
become O.
Yeah, correct. So
Yeah.
it is Padanta only.
Yeah. My understanding of that is if it is a one letter just for the sake of like a na, even na is a word, isn't it?
No,
Na is a
Na
padam.
plus Akaha. Nayakaha. We saw Nayakaha.
Yeah.
Those kind of things, it is Nityam.
Yeah, for example, okay, if we do something like
Atra pashyatu. J plus Ati. These are in between verbs. Jayati.
Yeah. Such things are not words. It's like
Yeah. In
it's
that
not
case,
J is not
we
a word.
cannot apply Yantavanta. Here only we cannot apply Yantavanta. Otherwise, we can apply.
Here
It is A plus
no. Here only we can't apply Purvarupa.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Here we cannot apply Purvarupa. Sorry, I told the reverse. Other than that, we can go for the rule. So here it's Guna Sandhi that has become O. I mean Visarga Sandhi with Guna Sandhi it has become O.
So our answer is Utsavosti, which is Purvarupa Sandhi.
So in the description, whenever the word there is a Padanta, it means it should be a complete word, a meaningful word.
yes, it is.
But there might be some other Sandhi also, we don't know. As in this case, there is a Visarga Sandhi which has become O.
Yeah, but it is still a complete word.
Not like a one letter word. If it is something like that, then we can go for Yantavanta.
Only in this case we cannot do J plus Ati. Here we have the condition applied, but still we cannot apply Purvarupa.
See, it is Kriya Padam, one letter is okay, but see, in Nampadani, what will happen? If it is a Pratipadikam, then also it's not a complete word. If it is attaching with a Pratipadikam, then also it has to go with Yantavanta.
Subandha Padam, before, like Pratipadikam with Ting Pratyaya or something like that. Subandha Pratyaya, sorry.
So we can think of Ekara and Ekaranta and Okaranta Sabda, Nam Sabda. For example, Go Sabda.
Nayakaha is also like that only. Nai plus Akaha becomes Nayakaha.
Okay. No, but that is Nai, right?
Tatra Purvarupa Sandhi na agachati.
So that's why Go I said. Go is Okara. So with that, if you have some word, some word of starting with akara, so something of cow. Any word you know which starts with akara? Then we can try that there. So, akshar.
Angaha.
Shayan.
Angaha.
These are Subandha Padam, right?
Yeah.
I'm just saying Angaha. Go Angaha.
Exactly. So go plus anga. So if we join them together, right, we can't apply here Purvarup Sandhi. It has to be Antavanta Sandhi then.
Because it's Nityam between in between pada.
Yeah, exactly. So it will
Not in between pada, inna pada.
Vangaha. Go Vangaha.
Inna pada.
No.
Gavangaha, sorry. Gavangaha.
Okay. Next one. Can we go for the next one?
Yeah.
Parama plus unnata plus adhikaraha. A plus u o gunasandhi paramonnata. A plus a savarna dirgha sandhi. Paramonnatadhikaraha. Sambhashana plus abhyasa plus icha. A plus a savarna dirgha sandhi. Sambhashanabhyasa. A plus e. A plus e. I forgot everything. A. So it's guna sandhi. A plus e. A. Abhyasecha.
Correct.
Tasya plus asti plus adhuna. A plus a savarna dirgha sandhi. Tasyasti. E plus a ya. Yan sandhi. Astyadhuna. Tatra plus agacha plus iti. A plus a atra gacha. Savarna dirgha sandhi. A plus e a guna sandhi. Agacheti. Para plus upakara plus amrutam. A plus u o guna sandhi. Paropakara. A plus a savarna dirgha sandhi. Upakaramrutam. We have 2 more exercise. The time is already up. Can we finish it or we can go for next week?
Maybe we'll do next week, no problem. We have some time before the exam. Because here, that's all we are doing, right? Almost all other things we have revised, right? Or anything pending? Okay.
Everything is over.
I have one question. See, actually, in the book, there are many Chatu slokas. We have studied in our class, I think, only one Chatu sloka. All others we have just skipped.
No, majority of the Chatu slokas we have finished. Only 1 or 2 might be missing.
No, Chatu sloka, really? Because I don't remember.
Yeah. I remember.
Self-study and
Huh?
Self-study.
No, I remember most of them are covered. Only maybe on the whole 2 or 3 might be left.
Somehow I maybe missed out in my notes. I don't have that. All others are captured. Anyway, that's fine.
But 2-3 are missing. I know that, but I don't know whether only 2. We did only 2 or 2-3 are missing. I don't know that.
Fine.
Okay, we can finish. Swapna ji, can you please?
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादाः